SEM-Base VI incorporates industry-leading STACIS vibration canceling technology into a compact package designed specifically to pair with all commercially available scanning electron microscopes, focused ion beam, and small dual beam systems. This technology allows customers to achieve vibration specifications set by their instrument manufacturers. Scanning electron microscopes, focused ion beam systems, and dual beam systems are extremely sensitive to various sources of floor vibration, such as the movement of people in your facility, construction, HVAC systems, cars, trains, and other modes of transportation. SEM-Base VI is used in a variety of different industries including life sciences, semiconductor, mining, metallurgy, and pharmaceutical. It offers end users the advantage of enhanced performance, accuracy, and versatility in their equipment by effectively countering low-frequency vibrations. The SEM-Base is easy to implement, sized to fit all common SEMs, FIBs, and dual beam instruments. TMC's STACIS technology enables the precision and reliability of instruments like scanning electron microscopes, which are highly sensitive and require a stable environment for optimal results. SEM-Base has a variety of handy accessories to simplify installation, including SEM-Lift that simplifies and speeds up SEM-Base installation on a previously installed SEM by raising the instrument several inches, allowing SEM-Base to be rolled into place. Casters that enable easy unpacking of the SEM-Base when used with a standard convertible roll-off crate that turns into a sturdy ramp that allows the SEM-Base to be easily removed from the crate. SEM-Ramp allows a SEM pre-fitted with casters to be rolled up on top of SEM-Base without a forklift or other rigging equipment.